Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a Divoom time frame 10.1 inches Wi-Fi 64 GB transparent digital photo frame with IPS display with floating effect. This one I'm purchasing from Amazon. Price is 168 euro. I already added this product link in video description. You should visit and order this product today. Now we will do unboxing and how I configure this Divoom time photo frame to my iPhone and how to use and what is new we will see. Let's check it out. This is the Divoom time frame. Look at this here. This is the amazing box. Packaging is really premium quality. This is the 10.1 inch HD screen, support photo video transfer, storage 350k plus images. You can store 200 plus practical dials and online pixels at art gallery as well. It's really impressive. Application also available. You just simply scan this QR code, install the application at Apple Store and Google Store as well. So here some of the basic information are available here, English and some other languages. Now just simply time to open the frame inside the box. This is the amazing frame. This is our frame. Apart from the product, inside the box we receive here USB-C type cable, and it's really impressive. It's premium quality. Here is the magic booklet manual how to use if you have no idea. This is the little towel you should clean using this one, and this is the pass, and that's it. Apart from that, the box is empty. Not too much accessories in the box. Here is our product. Even the packaging quality is really premium. I saw first time after purchasing lot of gadgets. So here, look at this, the frame. It's really impressive. Can just simply look at this here. Time frame, all types of information is already mentioning here. So here is display, connect here in power cable, automatically open here. Here is the light. You need to select here the specific languages. Look at this here, the lighting. Using this one, you can change. Here is the language. Afterward, we need to press here. How to connect? It's very easy. Just simply open here iPhone camera, scan this QR code, and afterward application is open. We need to download this application. We need to install the application. I just simply open here. So allow, almost add device. So here is the application framework. I just simply say connect my device. Okay, we need to create account. Just simply type here. I create the account and register. Afterward, please, and just simply log in. So look at this here, Bluetooth searching, enter available device, photo frame. Make sure your device within 10 meters or 10 feet in the range. Yes, I have in the range. Allow. You need to provide here home Wi-Fi password, and afterward device is connecting to your Wi-Fi. It's very strong, connected. Allow, update. We can update here, connect, and just simply updating. Please wait, and boom, my time is showing here. This is the photo frame. Look at this here. It's really impressive. Backside just only one light, but apart from that, here we receive some different frames as well. Using this one, you can change. This is the light of brightness of the light, and clean the light. This is the 100%. Always the frame is a change. So currently I have no photo uploaded here. Round up this button and the frame is coming here. So now he's here, now is here, and just simply press and this frame is coming. So this is the application. I just simply add here one of the photo. Look at this, click. You can design your own calendar photos as well. So the photo gallery, export the photo, or if you want add some photo, transparent setting. So this is the one of the best frame. So this is the one of the best Divoom time frame to set anything from this frame and the frame look like this. It's really impressive if you put this frame in your table and such images is coming. Here the time is available, you can change the time and rest of pictures update. Here you can add your personal photos as well. This is the unboxing and setup. Next video I will make a review video. If you want purchase, I already added the link in video description. You should visit and purchase this frame. If you have any question related on this product, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.